Today, I'm going to show you 7 Windows settings you need to change right now to improve your experience and get the most out of your PC. Before we get started, you can support me through Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. First, let's optimize your power and sleep settings. Go to Settings, then System, and click on Power and Battery. Here, set the screen and sleep times to your preferences. Personally, I recommend setting the screen to turn off and putting the device to sleep after 5 minutes of inactivity. This will save energy and extend your device's lifespan. Next, we need to check your startup apps. Right-click on the taskbar, open Task Manager, and go to the Startup tab. Disable any apps you don't need to run at startup. This will speed up your boot time. Enable Storage Sense to automatically free up space. Go to Settings, System, and click on Storage. Turn on Storage Sense and configure it to delete temporary files and empty the recycle bin. This will help you keep your computer clean from junk files. Manage Windows updates. Go to Settings, and click on Windows Update. Here, you can pause updates or schedule them for a convenient time to avoid interruptions. You can also check for the latest updates for your computer. This will help fix problems and speed it up. Customize File Explorer. Open File Explorer, go to View, and here you can change the view of your files. Choose Tiles, Content, Details, or Preview pane to help you organize folders and files easily. Then, click on the 3 dots and select Options. Here you can change the default view to this PC and configure other preferences to suit your needs. Now let's tame your notifications so they no longer interfere or distract you. Go to Settings, System, and click on Notifications. Here, turn off notifications for apps you don't need to reduce distractions. Set your default apps. Go to Settings, Apps, and click on Default Apps. Choose your preferred web browser, email client, and other default apps. And that's it. Change these 7 settings to get the best out of your Windows experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.